Amandine.
Sitting next to me is really...
I lived that so many times. You don't know all the things that can happen, so I'm really focused.
It's difficult for her because she has information on one side, talking to her 15 seconds away.
Tous de DDO, attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage Vulcain. Allumage VA254, décollage.
Maneuvers ongoing.
So impressive.
Remettre à bord nominaux.
Well, we have just seen Ariane 5 disappear towards space. Do stay with us, everyone, because what's going to happen next is as crucial as the next launch. This is, of course, the moment when the two satellites, StarOne D2 and Eutelsat Quantum, separate from the launcher and are placed into orbit. But that's not all, is it, Baptiste?
Yeah, I guess it's not all. I was really watching at those impressive images. And to answer your question, I'm going to ask Amandine. So, Amandine, how many kilometers does Ariane 5 travel before the launching of the satellites?
So, in fact, Ariane 5 is not going to go to the GEO orbit, this orbit of interest. That would be quite a journey. So, we are going to the GTO orbit, so the geo transfer orbit, which is an ellipse around the Earth. Which lowest point is close to the Earth. And so this is where the upper stage is going to get us. We will reach roughly an altitude of 650 kilometers. And this orbit, as an interest, the highest point is located at the same radius of the GEO orbit. And so that will be up to the customers once they are released into the GTO orbit to get to the GEO orbit and to do the final maneuvers to circularize the orbit and be in the GEO orbit.
I guess, and I hope everything is calculated and programmed. So what is the role of the team in Kourou right now?
So everything is pre-programmed on board, but you remember I talked about the onboard computers. So the launch vehicles knows exactly where it is located, what is its acceleration and velocity. Yeah. And so it will reach the orbit by recomputing the orbit every time in order to get the maximum performance and the best accuracy. Right now, the main active people in Kourou, you don't see them, they are in the We did have an important event. I have the confirmation that we have the EAP separation.
The booster separation?
Yeah, the booster separations. Yeah, booster have been separated.
So that's at 2 minutes